Hi there, Tony Hernandez. Today's mission, if you wish to take it, is to shaving this. I don't want to. It's not a full beard or anything like that, but it is much more to handle with this razor. All right, you need a type of razor. So what I have next best thing, which I will be using a razor, but to initially go through this rough stuff, I'm gonna use this. You have to be careful with these, okay? I'm just shaving down. And again, all this is just to get through the rough stuff here. And that's it. That's all. Now you may think, okay, I'm shaving with these clippers, but where's all the hair going? Well, I have a couple towels here on the counter. All right, so it would be best to shave underneath a sink, but in this case I have a try to apply this foam stuff all over where you're applying this stuff is wet. Sideburn. I usually leave a sideburn on both sides, and that's the way I go. That's the way I flow. So anyways, these blades usually have a side where you can just it's designed for those sideburns. I don't have that, so I just gotta eyeball it. And I typically look here where this little hump in your ear, that's kind of my reference point. That's more or less where I will start my cutting. Always cut with the grain where the hair is growing. It grows outward like this. And there's some cases where guys their hair will grow all sorts of ways, but in my face, I'm just cutting with the grain. That's the first pass. Little hump is my reference point. You could use that reference point as well, but it's up to you. That's if you want to leave a sideburn. There are guys that leave their sideburns longer, so it's totally up to you. I will go with this as my reference point. If I didn't have a reference point, there could be a possibility where one sideburn is longer than the other, and that's difficult. Shaving is a part of a man's life. as we get older, you grow hair. It's just those who want to leave their hair, it's totally up to them. And as you can, we get up in the morning and we tell ourselves it's time to make a change. And that brief moment when you start shaving is when you're making that first step of change. Okay? Believe it or not. Change can happen in many ways that you can think of. And the act of shaving your face will give you a new beginning to start your day. Okay? Now the second phase, I'm gonna razor up. Now why? If you razor down, there's still fuzz here. You run your hand on your face, there's still fuzz there. So to eliminate that fuzz and to get a cleaner, close cut, razor up. You may ask, well, why don't I razor up against the grain at the beginning? Well, you can. It's totally up to you. All I'm giving you are tips. That's it. Now, shaving, I've been doing this for many years. And so I've gone against the grain at the beginning, and there are more nicks, and you may be more careful than I am, but take it from me, more nicks doesn't feel good whenever you put an after shaving product. Okay, and after shaving product, I go old school. I use the old aqua velva. That's me. But what that will do is your pores are open. And why are they open? Well, at the beginning, you want to make sure your face is wet before you put that foam stuff. All right, and so I use lukewarm water, not hot steam water, but just lukewarm water where your face can stand it. Okay, that's part of the process. Lukewarm water, put the foam stuff, and then start shaving with the grain. Okay. Second phase is you can apply some more foam stuff, and that's what I'm going to do just now. I'm going to apply more foam and do the second phase. So this phase doesn't require too much of this stuff. Second phase. Go up. You want to sort of stretch your skin. And you want to go with the contour of your jawline. Be sure you keep the razor steady. Not rocket science, but you're dealing with your face and you're dealing with a razor. You still gotta be careful. Will you have some nicks? And there are nicks and there are close razor nicks. And because your skin is not always even, all right? So you're gonna get some parts here and there, and you may not. It all depends on your skin. We're done. Blue stuff. This is my aftershave product. This is what I apply after I shave. Close up those pores. Feels good. It feels very good. Woo-wee! That's what you want to say after you finish shaving and then after your aftershave. If it doesn't feel like that, please use another product. And if you use another product, make sure you get that woo-wee effect at the end of your shave. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And again, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Just if you find this information informative, please share it with others, okay? Because I know that there's people out there that seek a good change in their life. And one step to that change is just a simple shave, okay? One step at a time. You can do this. Have a good day, an awesome day, and I hope to hear from you in the comments. Okay? See you then.